More than 25 years ago, I had a simple but revolutionary idea to use the power of water to stop water. That's how the concept of the Watergate flood barrier was born. In the beginning, it was just sketches and handmade prototypes. The first tests weren't perfect, but they proved one essential thing: the concept worked.
It is now very easy to control water spills caused by a water main break or its maintenance. You just have to unroll the Watergate barrier to divert the water, and it will deploy itself. A single person can easily handle the barrier. Thanks to its flexibility, the flood barrier doesn't interfere with vehicle traffic. It adapts perfectly to its environment and can save thousands of dollars in damages.
Year after year, we have improved the barrier. Stronger, faster to deploy, and capable of holding back up to 1.5 meters of water. Today, Watergate is used in more than 40 countries. Municipalities, industries, and emergency services trust this innovation to protect their citizens and infrastructure. From simple sketches to the first uses, and now becoming a global benchmark, Watergate is the story of an idea that today protects thousands of lives and communities. I tell myself that all these efforts were truly worth it. Thank you to those who believed in this idea, to those who tested it, improved it, and deployed it. The story doesn't end here. It continues with you.